Hello, in front of me I've got TCL TabMax. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tab button in the top right corner, go to settings and enter Google Assistant. Go to voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap more, next, and agree, and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay, now that we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be mostly sunny, with a high of 22 and a low of 11.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.